not just a date on a calendar for us Tibetans. It is a day carved into our history, written with courage, sacrifice, and an unbreakable spirit. On that day, in 1959, thousands of Tibetans in Lhasa stood up with nothing but their voices, their faith, and their love for their motherland. They stood to protect their freedom, culture, and their land. Many of them knew the risks. Many of them knew they might not return home. Yet, they still stood their ground, because what they stood for was worth the sacrifice. And now we have to take the lead. Activism is not a single date we mark on our calendar. Activism is carved in our heart every day until we see the change we want. Peace in Tibet, freedom in Tibet, human rights in Tibet. March 10th reminds us of who we are. It reminds us that being Tibetan is not only about where we were born, but about the values we carry.